Good morning. It's actually afternoon. Good afternoon and welcome. It's Vlogmas Day 4 because it's December 4th and it's a Friday and it's 2:05 p.m. And we're sitting in the garage and we're gonna put on my little tail tidy on my bike. This is my Grom. This is the tail that was on my Grom. It was real big and bulky and kind of not
get an idea.
Appealing to most, so it's got like this really long tail here, and so I got an early Christmas present, so we're gonna put that on and she's gonna look a lot cleaner, and hopefully this one fits. We were gonna do this a couple days ago. The one that came in didn't fit.
Yeah. It said it was for the 2020s, or it said it was for the second gens, but it was obviously for the first gen Groms, and it didn't fit.
Yeah, because I have this thing here, this thing hanging down, and it's like it encases like the wiring stuff.
It's got some, it looked like it had some electronics under it. I didn't look super hard, but I just know I couldn't cut it out of the way.
Yeah, so
there was important stuff behind it.
Yeah, so we can't just chop it off. So we returned the old one, got this new one, which looks like it'll work because it's got a big hole in it.
Sits like that. I mean, it tidies it up a little bit, but...
Oh yeah, the underside. I mean, I like it better with the...
With the panel on?
Yeah.
Okay. We can do that.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna tidy her up. Haven't had a chance to really ride her recently just because it's been getting cold. Just because it's December and it's been getting cold and hasn't been horrendously cold. It's been maybe like upper 40s, like mid 50s.
It's been at that annoying level where it's not cold enough to need a jacket when you're sitting still, but when you're moving, you're freezing.
Yeah. And it's like, it gets really cold at night, late at night, and in the middle of the night it gets really cold, and our house gets really freezing cold. But the weather outside hasn't been too bad. But it's been a little chilly in terms of like riding weather. Yeah. Like, it's a little chilly. Like, I could probably, like, if I went out in like full gear today, it might be a little chilly, but I think I could manage. Because it's in like the upper 50s I think today, or like mid to upper 50s today, but it's been a little too chilly for me to just go out and ride. And I'm finally gonna get my permit, not anytime soon because the DMV is
another month.
So full of appointments and things. So the earliest that I could schedule an appointment with the DMV to get my permit for my bike is January, so I have to wait about a month, but that's alright. But then I'll have my license or my permit, and then I'll be able to legally be on the road with her.
Yeah, which is really what you need to be doing, because you've done pretty much everything you can do in a parking lot.
Yeah.
The only thing you haven't really experienced is like going fast, and you can't really do that with the parking lots we have around here.
Yeah.
You can't, not in the Grom, you can't get up to speed.
Yeah. So... yeah, so that's what I'm pretty much waiting on at this point is, one, it's gonna get cold and then it'll get a little bit warmer and then I can take it out then, and then I'll have my permit and then I'll be able to actually practice on the road and you need a Phillips.
So we're just doing this because we need to get the wiring out for the turn signal bits and bobs and the plate light that's right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I honestly was kind of indifferent about the idea of like getting a tail tidy thing, but
when you look at it when it's off.
Yeah, when I see it when it's not on, I'm like, yeah, it looks better. It looks better without this long thing on it.
And a lot of people, especially like older people, like my dad or Aaron's dad, they're like, you're gonna splash a bunch of water up onto you now, or you take it off. I'm like, I don't care. I'm not gonna be Try, like, if I'm splashing water onto my back, that means I'm also driving in the rain on a Grom. I don't plan on ever doing that.
Yeah, and I don't plan on doing that.
And of course, you never plan on driving in it, but still, it's... I don't care that much. I won't ride if it's raining. Okay, I need blue box.
Okay.
This is us working on things together. You hand me tools.
Yeah, my job is I buy the things, generally speaking, except you bought this for me. But when it comes to most like car vehicle modifications, I usually buy it and then I make him put it on for me. Not that I'm not capable of doing it.
Here you go.
What needs to come off? All these three? These three?
Let's see. Yes.
Those three?
The three.
Is it? Is this righty tighty?
That's good. Keep going.
Okay. Sorry, I was working on my righty tighty, lefty loosey, and I
had it set.
Okay.
That's what you needed to do.
Yeah, it's not like I don't understand tools and I'm not capable of using them. It's just I'm too lazy half the time. And half the time I make things more difficult than I should. And he's just like, let me do it. And I'm like, okay, fine. I'll just sit here and do nothing. I don't feel like it's getting
No,
any
move
looser.
your hand. Let's see. I don't.
There's a...
Oh, well, shit, there's a nut on the back.
Yeah.
Whoops. So you were just spinning it.
Yeah, I was like, it doesn't feel like it's getting any better.
It doesn't look... So yeah, this is two different pieces of plastic, but we have to take out that one behind it. I don't know where my wrench set went, though. It's the black and white, or I mean black and red wrap-up set that, you know, you tie.
Oh, yeah.
Is it in your
Did you
car?
put it in my car?
It might be in your car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is in your car. Why did we put it in there?
I don't know.
Boing. Okay. I have to hold that for a second.
Okay.
You get to take that, and I'll just hold the other side. There you go.
No, I have to do this with one hand. I got it.
Okay.
Well,
Okay, well,
that's pretty
easy enough.
Yeah.
Let's undo it by hand now. Super entertaining content.
Yeah, I want to put the Christmas decorations out. We're gonna get our tree this weekend, and I'm excited. No.
So all she's been talking about since Thanksgiving. I'm like, just wait till December. We don't want the tree dying before it's even Christmas.
I know, I'm like Linda from Bob's Burgers.
Oh, everybody look at the tree! Oh, I love this tree.
It's the day after Halloween, Lynn. Don't you think we might have gotten the tree a little early?
Oh, put some mistletoe on my butt and kiss it, Bobby. Everybody look at the tree. Oh, I love our new tree. Look.
It's the day after Thanksgiving, Lynn. I'm not looking at it till tomorrow.
It's like I wanna put up my Christmas decorations like really early, and I usually wasn't that person. I usually was like, it's fine, I'll wait till after Thanksgiving and I'll do it after Thanksgiving. But this year, I don't know what it was about this year. I think I was just feeling...
Your dog is howling.
Some dogs howling in the neighborhood. I don't know what it was about this year. I really wanted to put up my Christmas decorations. So I put up pretty much the decorations in the house, but I need to put up the ones outside now. And we gotta get our tree. So.
Ow.
Oof.
Ow, you're moving the whole thing. Okay, just give me this.
Sorry. And half the time I make things more difficult than I should, and he's just like, let me do it. And I'm like, okay, fine. I'll just sit here and do nothing. See, this is what happens. I do things and he's like, no,
Well,
just let me do it.
looking at the camera.
Yeah, like I have this feeling that I'm not going to want to do a lot of stuff to my Grom, at least like right now.
I do.
He does. He really wants
But
to.
that's after you get another bike.
Yeah, he wants to dank out my Grom, do some nooner shit
not,
on my
not that kind of shit.
on my Grom.
I don't want to do that. No
Yeah.
way.
But he.
I don't want to learn how to wheelie on your Grom.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put a fucking cage on my Grom. But yeah, so I'm not about to do that to my Grom, especially since I'm gonna be riding it like as my starter learner bike. I don't want to do a bunch of crazy shit to it right now. And also since I know that it's not gonna be like my permanent riding bike once I get to that point where I feel comfortable enough to upgrade to like a more substantial bike, I don't want to put in a lot of money and investment into it when I know I'm not gonna.
Well, we're not getting rid of it though.
No, we're not gonna get rid of it, but it's like it's not gonna be like my everyday type of, and obviously neither is my bike when I get a more substantial bike, but it would be the bike that I would take out more often
You want to do something?
than not what.
You want to go in that box right there and get me the 8mm socket? This is your job now.
I'm gonna stab myself on that. This is gonna happen.
No, not those. The socket. Okay.
Yeah, it's not like I don't understand tools.
The head that goes into one of these.
Fine. Nothing. Okay. Got no camera, even though this battery is also low, but maybe we'll make it. Okay. So we took this off. We took the back part off, and now we got all our wires here. Okay, where are we?
We have gotten all the hardware and like lights off of the fender, the original fender, and we're about to put them on the tidy.
Yeah, so we as in he ripped out all the wires and the lights and stuff and tail lights, and then we're gonna wire those into the little tidy and then back into the bike so that they work. I should probably get my key from my Grom too, just to make sure that the lights work when we plug everything back in. This is my 0 to 60 eventually key tag, because she's a slow girl. Okay, how far are we?
We are getting there. I'm just reconnecting the wire harness. I've got the plate light and the turn signals mounted up. So yeah.
Yeah.
Just need to connect everything and zip tie it all together and make it look pretty inside under the seat.
Yeah. And plug her in. And here's my little keychain. I guess I showed you the 0 to 60 thing, but then I got a little Jake on here, and he's got a little fin on his bike key, and then I have my fancy switchblade key for my bike. Having to switch in between cameras because the batteries keep dying. Uh-oh. Okay, well.
Fine. I need that. I can check.
Okay.
I need 10 mil and an extension.
Okay. There she is.
Grab 'em.
She looks real nice. I could do it. As I try to, I could do it. Here's that.
Well, I don't need a 10 mil. I need something bigger. I need 11 and 12. Thought I needed a 10. I needed a 12 because I thought these were 10s. Whatever. I need a 12.
Okay. Howie.
Thank you.
See, I know what tools are, okay?
Yeah, because I told you what this was.
I know how tools work. She's in there.
Is your plate light? Yeah, plate light works.
Yep.
It all works.
Everything
Congrats.
Congrats to you, you did a good job. If you are on the car channel, then this is going to be the end of the vlog. Because that's all the car related stuff I've got. But thanks for watching. If you enjoy, give it a thumbs up, go down below, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get notified of whenever we upload videos, whenever we decide to do that, and whenever we get car stuff in or bike stuff in. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!